Good morning, good morning. Let's see if we can get this party started this morning. So last night, 213, good morning, good morning. So last night we made 490. I wish I would have stuck around. This is, as you guys can tell right there, my funded futures. Because I have nothing to trade, so what are we doing? Need 1K to pass the evaluation. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna get 15, maybe 1600 today. 213. So the grumpy trucker is in the house. That's right, grumpy trucker. Thanks for being in the neighborhood. So I'm only doing two minis. Two minis. That's all I'm doing. How about them Rams last night, man? Wow, man, that was a crazy game yesterday or last night. 213. I think it goes up today and continues all time high by the week by the weekend. Hmm. Good stuff. Good stuff. That is very good stuff. What are you trading right now? 213. What platform are you trading? Oh, yeah. Market is open. Market is open. That sucker just shot up like a rocket. Truckers for Trump America 172. Damn, that's a good name, but holy shucks. It's a tongue twister. Hey, do you guys know someone would like to buy my truck? I broke down in Ashland, Virginia, and it's 1,800 to fix, and I can't fix. I already spent 4,000. If you guys know someone would like to buy for 2,000, let me know. He's got a truck for sale, guys. Got a truck for sale. Doing the evaluation with take profit. Good stuff. Good stuff. I got a take profit account one time, 213. I don't know if it was just that day that, I was just trading sloppy or what the hell it was. But it it kicked my ass. It kicked my ass. Never again did I buy a take profits trader account. Yeah, but it kicked my ass. I think I was just having a bad day, but yeah. In case you don't know, Apex is having a discount today. $19 the eval. I think activation fees is like 65, $68. Grumpy trucker, how's freight for you out there? Is it consistent? Blew my APEC accounts yesterday. Chasing silver. Oh shucks. Yeah, yesterday I just did a little quick scalp yesterday. Very slowly trickling in. Rates are slowly going up. Good stuff. Good stuff. So Grumpy, you getting into this? You get into the day trading? You need to look into it, Grumpy, because this is pretty good, man. This is pretty good. All right, that was my. Okay. It didn't go nowhere. Son of a biscuit. One candle covered the whole thing. It had no freaking movement. It had no freaking movement whatsoever. Look at just consolidation right there. Consolidation. It's not good. It's just been consolidating right there. Oh wow. We'll see. We'll see. I've been watching Mr. Scarface's videos. It's starting to make sense. Good stuff, Grumpy. Good stuff, man. Man, this is uh, this is good stuff, man. Good stuff. So all I do is I have two strategies. I got Scarface's strategy, and I got another one, a secret weapon. But I do. That's what I look for every day. There's another one, Grumpy Daniel Holmes. I also look at his stuff, his strategy, and Raja Banks. I look at his strategy as well. I mean, they're all the same strategies, both of them, but that's what I look for. All right, well, I'm gonna put a limit order there. Let me go. I'll go to 15. Go to 15 and then put a sell there. Might be asking for a little too much. Yeah, that's good right there. I'll put limit order there. Let's see if it goes up to the 5 minute high opening. But I mean, right now it's just trying to bypass this breakout right here. It's having issues. It's having issues, guys. So again, I only have two minis on this. Two minis. And I'm gonna make 15 or 16 today. Cause I don't know if I can make the whole. I mean, it says that I can pass the evaluation in 2 days. So I wonder if I can if I can get the whole 25 today since I traded yesterday. I wonder how that works. 213. You know anything about that? I wonder if I can get the whole 26 today. Put my discount code down there. Yeah, I was hoping Top Step would bend and let the rest of the platforms keep using Project X, but because I like Project X, I'm not gonna lie. It's real simple compared to Tradeovate. You know, it's Project X is real drawing. It's been simplified for simple people like myself. You know, it's straw friendly. Uh, I like the fact that if I get filled right here, I know how much money I'm making, and then if I put a limit order here, I know exactly how much money I'm gonna make. Where with Tradeovate, I'm using fingers. Okay, 5 points to. I'm making this much. Where Project X, it shows me how much money I'm gonna make right there. But that's the kind of thing. Them are one of the features that I like from Project X, comparing comparing to Tradeovate. You have to do the math with Tradeovate. Yeah, it's gonna show you how much you're making up here. But like I said, if I put my take profit up here, I already know how much money I'm making up here. Where with Tradeovate, right now I have to count points. Okay, I'm going 15 to 24. So let's see how many points is it. Okay, how much am I making? So that's kind of simple stuff that I'm talking about as far as Project X and Tradeovate. 2 and 3 depends on the eval. APEC lets you pass in 1 day, take take profit. You need to hit profit and trade for 5 days. Yeah, 2 and 3, but I'm talking about the eval. The eval on my funded futures, you can pass in 2 days, right? Uh, Yesterday I made 490. As you can see up here, I made 490, but I had to leave, so I took off. So I'm wondering if I can make the 2600 today to pass the eval. This is an eval right here. That's what I was asking, because we have 2 days to pass with my funded futures, but I wonder if that consistency rule will kick in if I make the 2600 today. I've heard a lot of good things about my funded futures. That's why I decided to get one with them. The next eval I'll probably get will be um, Alpha Futures. Okay, well, I don't think it's gonna come back up. I don't think we're gonna do anything with this right now. So let me take that off. It's not having any kind of direction right now. You might be able to, but they might have a 50% rule, like take profit. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Well, I'm gonna roll with what you said, 2 2 and 3, and my feelings. So we'll just get 16. Yeah, we'll just get 1600 today. Get 1600, and then tomorrow we'll get the little 400, and we'll be done with this eval. It's just not doing nothing right now. It's just crawling. But it's okay. It's okay. The patient one is the one that's gonna win. The patient one is the one that's gonna win. mean, there's nothing there to cover. Have you taken any payouts yet? I get close to payouts, then boom, blow them damn accounts. I've had payouts with Top Step, Day Trade. What else? That's it. But I have my own live account. So I'll trade my live account and then come and do some prop firm account. I was gonna say accounts, but I try not to trade more than one account because a couple months ago or a month ago, something like that, I traded. Oh man, look at, I missed it. 23 seconds. Well, not really. I mean, I still can get in it. 10 seconds. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me see. God damn it, I missed it. Yep. That's 2 seconds right there.
Order rejected.
Why is it rejected? What the fuck? Why did it reject my... Why did you reject my... What the fuck? What happened? I don't know, for whatever reason they rejected my trade. Why'd you reject my trade, dude? What the fuck? Oh well. I mean, it was there. Okay, so... Good. Did it feel me? Good.
Stop filled. Order filled.
There we go. Just made $300. Easy. Okay. I wonder what happened. I wonder why it rejected my trade. Because that's what I was waiting for. I was here. I was waiting for it to break out of here. But, oh well. So, we got 300 more. Okay, let's see. What are we doing here? Oh, it looks like... Are we breaking out of here? Is that what we're doing finally? Breaking out of this gibberish. $750. Let's see if we can break out of this stuff. Probably get a little good push to the upside right here. Wonder why I rejected my trade. That's crazy. Okay, so what did I say? 750. $213. You get close to a payout, then boom, blow the damn account. Oh shit, that's crazy. yeah, I remember when it was. I bought three accounts at the same time, and I blew one account and I passed two evals, and I was just like, and it really killed me for uh for blowing up that eval. So after that, I was like, I'm not buying more than I'm not gonna buy numerous evals because blowing an account it really messes with you mentally. Okay, 700. So I need I still need quite a ways. Okay. So yeah, that's why I just buy one account at a time, and I'll just trade one account at a time. Cause for me, it's not good to trade three accounts at the same time. And yeah, I can probably copy trade them, but I don't. I don't. I just trade different, guys. I trade different than everybody else. Is my way better? Nope. It's just different. That's all. Well, it broke the 5 minute, but now it's just consolidating up there on the top, which makes no damn sense. But consolidation can always be a good thing because it's gonna eventually gonna pop or it's gonna dump. So we just have to wait for the reaction of that consolidation and see if we can catch it. I feel the same way. Now I'm taking this take profit to pay out, then I'll get another one. Good stuff, good stuff. Blowing shit up left and right. Gotta stop. You're not the only one. You're not the only one. Believe me, you are not the only one. I've been trying to recruit a bunch of truckers into this game, and yeah, they're doing the same thing. You know, they've gone on their own. They've leached off, and they've gone on their own with their own strategies, and yeah, they've. But then again, that's the way I started as well. You know, I could probably say I. Okay, hold on. I'm missing it. I am missing it again. Okay. Okay, look at. We're gonna put 770. Oh, shucks. 770. I'm missing it. Okay. Fuck. I missed it. Okay. Can we wait for it at 8? Wait for it at 8, and then I'll sell at 90. So I'll put a limit order at 780, and then take it up to 90. But I missed it. That's all right. It's all right. Let's see again. Yeah, 80, 90. So we got to cover this gap right here. So See if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get that gap. $13 left on that candle. The next candle can bump, because that is the breakout. As the breakout, we can wait for the retest, but how far up is the breakout? That's the biggest question. Remember what I was saying before, guys? Consolidation is always good, because we just have to wait for the pop or the dump. If we can catch either or, we'll make some great money. Yeah, 213. But what I tell people is buy some cheap evaluations like bulenox or Apex. Right now that they have cheap evaluations, I think bulenox is still 91%. Apex is 90%. Just, if you've done your research, you paper traded for a while, you think you got it, buy some cheap evals. Try to pass 4 to 5 just back to back without blowing any of them up. If you can do that, if you can put that challenge in front of you, you're ready to go buy yourself an account that you're gonna work into getting payouts. But I just don't recommend Top Step. I don't recommend Top Step to anybody. Not right now. Top Step is having a hard time with that chart. Project X is I mean, there's no need for us to talk bad about them, it's a business, and they've been around for a while. I feel bad for them, but it's just right now it's just not working. That chart has too many glitches. Yeah, I think that's coming down for the retest. So remember, Scarface, break, retest, and then we get in the trade, okay? So it looks like it's coming down for the retest. Two and three, you like trading on Tradeovate or Project X or TradingView? Come on, buddy. Come on. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Great beats. Thanks for being in the neighborhood. Appreciate it. Come on, buddy. Do something. I want to put a limit order there, but I'm not too sure. Not too sure. Not too sure. 5 minute looks like a dumpster. 15 minute is undecisive. So that's the way I see it. 1 hour, same thing. Same. So I'm tempted to put a limit order up here. Because again, this is the break. This is the retest now. So I'm waiting to break back up. 213 says he likes trading on TradingView. Great beats. MP never caught a trading live. I changed from trucking videos. Laugh out loud. Good stuff. Great beats. Thanks for being in the neighborhood. Trader rate moves too fast for me. 80% of the time, I'm not on my laptop, just phone. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, Trader is yeah. But the thing is this, 213, I've like when I got this account, I tried to log into TradingView, and I had a delay on TradingView, even though I was logging into this account, because when you log into TradingView, you have to log in with your credentials, right? So I don't have no account with TradingView, so I had to make a simple account, and I did one trade with this account on TradingView, and it had a delay. So I said, okay, maybe I need to wait a little bit for it to, catch up or what have you. So I waited about 2 hours, and then I tried to set another trade, and it still had a delay. I got on, I chatted with my funded futures, but it's only common sense. It's not on funded futures. It's on TradingView. So I got at TradingView, but TradingView had no answers for that. But I would like to trade these accounts on TradingView, because, like I said, Trade of 8 is not. It's more like old school trading, if you ask me, with this chart. They need to update this chart, because compared to Trade of 8, Project X and TradingView, it's outdated, if you ask me. Bob Tara, what's going on, lady? Good morning. Thanks for being in the neighborhood. AI is booming. Yes. AI is booming, Pop Tart. Yes, it is. Well, that's a hell of a retest right there. Hell of a retest. Sure, taking a sweet time. It's a weak market right now. Really weak market. Well, While it's making up its time, it's mine, guys. I got no more coffee, so I'm gonna go make me a fix. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Trading today, Eva? No. I'm back. I'm back. Well, it's not doing nothing. It is not doing. How's your Christmas, Vic? You ready for 26, first quarter? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Well, let's take a short. I'm going to put a limit order there. Limit order there. How much time on that candle? 39 seconds. There's plenty of time. And then I'll take it up to there. Let's see if we can get that. My speaker's not on.
Stop field.
Here we go. Here we go.
Order filled.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Could have took it a little further down, but we're at 991. 991, guys. Okay. Real quick one. We're gonna make this 1600 crawl 213. 213. We'll make it crawl. Just little scalping here and there. I'm going to put another cell at the bottom of the 5. And then just another quick one right here. So from 87 to 81.
Stop field.
We're in. Come on, buddy. Get down there. Oh, it might not go down. Yeah, it might not go down. Let me get out
Order
of that.
filled.
Let me get out of that. Oh, shucks. I just gave back $400. But I think it's gonna pull back. So let me see. Oh, I should have kept it. But yeah, I think it's gonna pull back now. Seconds left on that candle. Let me pull that up. This one's got 12 seconds. Let me pull that up a little bit higher as well. I don't want to get filled in when I only got that much time on the candle. I need more time on the candle. Okay, we're in. We're gonna take it all the way to 19. If not, I'll just I'll trail my stop. No, you're going the wrong way, buddy. Wrong way. Pop. You got to pop. I'm down 400 right now. About to give up all my profit. Come on, buddy. Get your ass up there. buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah, if I can get that pop, yeah, I'll probably get that money back. Plus some. Show me what you was saying about trading. I'm showing you right now, Pop Tart. I'm showing you right now. Ooh, oh,
Order filled.
yeah. Yeah, I had to close that out. I thought I was the only one talking to the candles. Glad to see I'm not alone. No, you're not alone. You are not alone. These are the candles, Pop Tart. These are candles. These are what's called candles. Them lines, them are called candles. What's coming off that is called the wick. Okay, I'm gonna put I'm gonna put a limit order up there at 712. I'm just gonna wait for it because I think it's gonna play in this area, guys. It's just gonna stick in this area, as you guys can see. All yesterday, it's just been playing in this area, and I think that's what it's gonna do for now. So I'll put a limit order right there to buy, and then hopefully I can get a pop. Here's the next breakout, so we'll see. Yes, wicks and candles, Pop Tart. So all you're trying to do is predict whether the candles are going to keep going up or they're going to keep going down. This right here, this sideways movement, this is called consolidation. That's not the kind of trade you want to be into. You want to wait for it to break out of this consolidation, this sideways movement, whether it goes up or down. And that's when you want to get into a trade. That way you make some money. But the market's got to have some kind of direction, either up or down. If it doesn't, you're going to blow your account. And that's not what you want to do. My funded futures is 2,000. This is an eval of Greg Beats. Pop Tart, but all you have to do is just type in day trading for beginners. And there's a bunch of videos on all kinds of platforms that that'll explain to you what candles, wicks, all this stuff means. You just gotta find a channel that makes sense to you. There'll be a lot of channels that don't make sense to you. You just gotta keep searching. You gotta find one that makes sense to you. Okay, looks like it's gonna pop, but I don't want to get filled in yet. I want to make sure that it's got some good movement. Got 26 seconds on that candle. Let's see what the next candle does. I can take it up to there, 7:30. 8 seconds left. Ooh, look at that. Oh,
Stop filled.
I'm in. Let me take it to 7:30. $7:30, guys. Okay, it's a free trade.
Stop filled.
I'm already in. Okay, so I made $300 on that. Well, I'm back in the green. It's just having a hard time passing this consolidation now. I want to watch my own candles and wicks too. So say I spend a little thousand. I don't trust another channel. You've been good guy for as long as I remember. I'll watch you and learn what you are showing. No, you don't have to spend. You don't have to spend $1,000. Not even $300. No, this evaluation right here only costs $76. Pop Tart. And it's a one-time fee, which you're paying for the evaluation. The evaluation is a test that you have to go through. You have to profit $3,000 up here, so they'll start you off with a $50,000 account. You have to hit $3,000 to pass the evaluation. You can do it in 2 days, so you got to break it up in 2 days. So one day you can make $1,500, the next day you can make $1,500. But it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to pass in 2 days. You can pass it you can hold on to that account for as long as you can, as long as you don't lose $2,000. Once you lose the $2,000, then you've blown your account and you're going to have to pay the $77 again. But as a beginner, you don't want to do this. What you want to do is go to TradingView and paper trade. Paper trade is called fake money. That's what paper trade is, fake money. And just paper trade until you can get the hang of how the candles move. Hopefully you'll come up with a strategy. And if you can come up with a strategy, then you just wait for that strategy to kick in and then put your trades in. But yeah, Pop Tart, go to TradingView, make an account over there in TradingView, and paper trade. Oh, we just gotta wait for it to stop consolidating. That's what we gotta do. Let me straight. Oh, shucks. See what I mean about trade of eight? God, come on, buddy. Stretch, dude. Yeah, this is my only indicator right here, guys. Just the box. I don't use no EMAs. I don't use no VWAP. If you do, hey, more power to you. It's just the way I trade. I don't use none of that. So I'm marking up the low of the 5 minute candle opening and the high and the low. That's all I'm doing. So I'm waiting for it to break, retest, and then break again. Once it breaks again, then that's when I'm in. Same thing down here. I want it to break, retest, and then I'll get back in once it starts breaking again. Let's go check out the higher time frames. You see, guys, it's just fiddling right here. That's all it's doing, is just fiddling right there. It's not going anywhere. Move. Do something different, dude. Yeah, there is taxes on it, Pop-Tart. But don't worry about it. Learn how to trade first, Pop-Tart. I thought the wife was going to trade this morning, but I guess not. She's still in bed. Wow, look at this consolidation. That'll put somebody to sleep right there. What the heezy? Come on, buddy. Take a direction, buddy. Yeah, yesterday I was watching some live streaming, and I was looking at the market, the way it was moving on a few other channels, and I trip out on some of these YouTubers. They're trying to analyze the market with a whole bunch of craziness, calling out numbers and you know, and I just I don't get how. I mean, if you understand that language, that's good, but for a beginner, it's just hard to understand. Okay, you're looking at an EMA. You wanted to do this, you wanted to do that, but it's just, to me, it just doesn't make no damn sense. And like I keep telling everybody, if you put too much on your plate, if you put too many indicators on the chart, you're it's too much information that you're putting out there that you're gonna miss the trade. You're gonna miss some good setups because you're looking at too much on your chart. You're looking for too many things to happen. I mean, once you mature into trading, yeah, you can do all that, but as a beginner, just simplify it as much as possible. You'll still have some winning trades if you simplify it, believe me. Over analyzing the market is just, I don't know, it's too much for me. Way too much. Okay, so right now I'm waiting for it to pop out of this consolidation, and I'm hoping I'll go long here at 704. 704, then I can cover this gap right here. But 704 will be above this consolidation right here, above this breakout right here, and above this breakout right here. I might get stuck a little bit on this consolidation here as well, but that's what I'm looking for right now. But it's just doing a whole bunch of consolidation here, which it's not good for anybody. Not anybody. Okay, let's see how you make $300. I don't see. It's right here. It'll show it right here. It'll show it right here. So I started this account with 50,000. Now I didn't make $300. I made $33.84. I was up $900, but I lost the majority of it already. But yeah, the money's right here. It'll show you how much money you're making right there. These are my accounts. This is how much I'm putting into each contract that I put a trade in. Okay, so what did I say, guys? 709? Yeah, 709. 709, and then I can probably go up to 713 to make some profit if it decides to get out of this consolidation. So the account started with 50,000. Okay, so anything above 50,000, that's how much money I'm making. Anything under 50,000, I'm losing. Okay, what do we say, guys? What do we say? 5. That candle's got momentum. It's got momentum, guys. It's got momentum. Then I'll take it up to there. Buyers are coming in, guys. Buyers are coming in. 13 seconds left on that candle. By the way, here are the, oh, I'm blocking it with my ugly mug, but the candle, the timer on the candle is up here. It's up here. That's another thing, on Project X, the timer on the candle's here, which is pretty cool. It is pretty cool. 35 seconds on that candle. I might have to push it up, guys, because I don't like all that blinking that it's doing. It's just, it's another thing about Trade of 8. They get us with this movement on the candles. They're just, like 213 says, too fast. Let's see what the 5 minutes looking like. 5 minutes just looking consolidation. 15-minute. It's just undecided. I mean, it took all this with the wick, but it's undecided. Can't see the freaking lines. Just consolidation, guys. Consolidation after consolidation. You got it, Pop Tart. Question. You said cover that gap. What does that mean? Gap means, like for instance, this right here, okay? This is the body of the candle. And there's nothing to the right. Okay, so there's a gap. See that wick? So from here to here, that's a gap. Okay, if there was nothing over here, right? If it was just blank. Like for instance, right here, this is considered a gap. Let me take that off so I can explain myself a little better. Take that off. Okay, so the body. So here there's a wick covering this much of this body candle. Okay, so from here to here, that is considered a gap because there's nothing to the right of it. Okay, and the market needs to cover these gaps right here. Mandatory. It doesn't necessarily happen the same day, but eventually it'll cover that gap. So like right now it's doing a whole bunch of consolidation, so best trick that you can do is wait for it to start popping out of here, because you know it's gonna cover this body gap right here. Okay. If it was if it was gonna go to the downside, I mean, there's really nothing here to cover other than this little bit of gap, because this wick here is up to right there, so it's covering this gap right here. So them are some of the things that I look for. So let me put my square back on. Well, Pop Tart, in this new generation, I mean, even though some of us are having a hard time adjusting to this new generation of technology and stuff like this, I mean, we have to. We have to if if we want to be profitable, you know. And for me, this is how I'm gonna retire. Oh boy, there's a whole lot of nothing going on right now. Whole lot of nothing. You know, I tell everybody, don't fight the funk. Be with the funk. So this new way of making money, don't be against it. Embrace it. Learn it. Because it's not going away. That is for sure. It is not going away. This is going to be the new way of life. So don't fight the funk. Come on, buddy. Take a direction already. Something. Just do something already. Doesn't want to go right now, guys. Does not want to go. Yeah, exactly. Great beats. A lot of times it's a waiting game with consolidation. Better to let the play come to you. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But this is my Bible right here. The 15. The 15 is always, it always gives me a good indication what we're doing and where it's going. So 720, let's see if that's good on the 5 minute. 720. Yeah, 720. Okay. Alrighty. So I put a limit order at 710. Two shots.
Stop filled.
Okay. And then I'm gonna put a sell at 720. That thing took off on me. No, dude. No, dude. No, 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 no. Where are you going? That sucker took off like a rocket. 24 seconds left on that thing. Two seconds left. That could be a small pullback. Small pullback. Okay. Let's get in the green, guys. Let's just get in the green for right now. Let me push this up a little bit more. It's a free trade already. Okay. Let's push this up a little bit more.
Stop filled.
All right, so we made a little bit of the money back. 349. We're in the green, 349. Which is good. Which is good. Okay, I'm gonna put, just to bypass this wicks, put another limit order there, and then I'll take it up to there. So 725 to 730. Candle has enough time. It's got 38 seconds. The momentum is kind of, let me push it a little further up. I don't want to get filled with, oops.
Stop filled.
Son of a biscuit. Biscuit of a son. Okay. Let's just get in the green, guys. Let's just get in the green. There we go. Okay, no. Okay, not yet. Not yet. We don't want to move the stop loss yet. Here we go. Okay, let me get in the green. I mean, it's a winning trade already. It's already a winning trade, so not a big deal for me. Just need you to keep popping. Okay.
Stop filled.
$100. Wow, that's freaking nuts. All that for $100. No way. Okay, so I'll go for another one, guys. It's finally taking a direction. That's good. That's good. That's really good. It's finally taking a direction. You're 100% right. The fourth and the 15 give me a good idea what's about to happen. Yeah, I like watching the 15. That's my Bible. That is my Bible. Okay, we got some consolidation there. And here, of course. So, let me set a buy there. Because this could be the breakout. And then we'll see if it comes back down for the retest. But if it does the breakout, this should be a doable trade. Doable trade. Let's go, buddy. Let's go do something. Boy, that consolidation took quite a while, huh? That was, ooh, look at all that consolidation. Look at, then it finally gave us a little bit of sign of something. Then it came down in straight consolidation again. That's crazy. Let's see. I mean, it should be covering this gap. I don't want to get into that gap cover though. I'd rather for it to pop out of here. Let me put it a little further up. I'd rather for it to pop out of here and then go to 5 points from 50 to 55. That's not bad. I mean, I was gonna put it here because of this consolidation. This and this right here. It's all consolidating right here. And then we'd get a pop. $51. I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit more. $32 on that candle. That's my other strategy too, guys. I've said it numerous of times. I look at the candle timer. If the candle has 20 seconds or under, I don't want to, and I put a limit order, I don't want to get filled in. Why? Because it doesn't have enough time on that candle to keep going that same direction. If that makes sense to anybody.
Stop filled.
Okay, we're in. It's got 35 seconds. So we'll wait for it to get, for us to be like above, to be nice and green, and then I'll start trailing it. But I just need it to pop out of my profit, my limit, where I got filled in. I just need it to pop out of there just a little bit so I can. Just give me a little bit more body. There we go. And then I'll grab this and then just stay green. Just stay green, that's all. So all we want to do is just stay green.
Stop filled.
If it knocks me out, it knocks me out. It took another $400. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. Did I miss a lot of your guys' comments? I think so. Let me see. A lot of times it's waiting. Okay. Yeah. Well, it did take the pop, guys. It did take the pop. But, I mean, it didn't break out much. So, we'll see what it does next. We'll see what it does next. That's the kind of candle I look forward to as well right here. Long wick at the bottom, body building on the top. That tells me it's going to keep going long. If it was reversed, that would tell me that it's going to go short. Okay, and then we'll take it to there. 46 seconds. See, I kind of just whipped me. I don't like that. 36 seconds on that candle. I mean, it still has enough time, so we'll see if we can finally take it up to 70 or 69. $15 seconds left on that time, on that candle. Five seconds. No, I don't need. There's the new candle. And push it a little bit further up because I don't want to just get wet. And then some biscuit starts retracing back down. There we go. I'm gonna put that at 70. So again, it's a break. Now we need to retest. So it broke the 5-minute high, came down and retested. Now we're taking the long, if the son of a biscuit ever keeps going long. But the goal for today is to have 51,600. That's the goal for today. shit, I just remember I gotta run over to the bank. Gotta run to the bank. Gotta run to the bank. God darn it. Yes, Pop Tart, learn this thing, man. Learn this thing. This is
Stop
great.
filled.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh man, that was only 9 seconds on that candle. Not good. Not good. So again, we just wanna wait for this body to come up here, and then I put a stop loss, and then I'll just trail my trade. But we just wanna make sure that we have enough to put. There we go. There we go.
Stop filled.
Okay, we took profit. 80 something bucks. Not good. Not good. This is killing me. But 81 bucks is 81 bucks, I guess, right? This is killing me. There's not really a trend to it. It doesn't have a... It's just killing me. You know what, guys? I'm going to cut this live short. I'll be back for the power hour for sure, because I got to run over to the bank real quick. I got to go withdraw some moolah. All right? So, but I'll be back for the power hour, guys, for sure. All right? We'll see you guys at 12 o'clock. If I don't see you guys, remember, trade what you see, not what you think.